Now you find the similar wood molding that canvas part to cutting it. After write the system into the computers, then we start to cutting that. This one is similar as yours. It has one round, the X, the corner in the top side. And for now, we only find a few pieces. Then cutting it. As you see, it can cut the many pieces in one time, and can cut the different lengths in one molding. Okay, ready. Now we use rubber. You use rubber to make all together to see what the corner looks like. All the corners will easy to get like this. All closed very well like this. Let's make them all again to show you the corners of the cutting. Here, this one. As you see, all corner is past the cutting. This is the TS-J39.